In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache in Shopify. If you've ever made changes to your Shopify store and then wondered why you're not seeing them right away, there's a good chance your browser is showing you an older, cached version of your site. Clearing or bypassing that cache helps you see the most up-to-date version of your store exactly as your customers should see it. To get started, open your Shopify store in your web browser just like you normally would. Make sure you're on the page you want to refresh. This could be your homepage, a product page, or any part of your storefront where you're expecting to see recent changes. Once the page has fully loaded, we're going to do what's called a hard refresh. This is different from simply clicking the refresh button in your browser. A regular refresh often still relies on cached files, which means you might keep seeing outdated images, styles, or layouts. A hard refresh forces the browser to ignore those older files and download everything again from Shopify's servers. If you're using a Windows computer, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. While holding Control, press Shift and then press the R key. You'll want to hold Control first, then add Shift, then tap R, and you can release them all afterward. If you're on a Mac, the process is almost the same, just with a different modifier key. Press and hold the Command key, then hold Shift, and then press R. Again, hold Command, add Shift, tap R, and then release the keys. When you do this, you might notice that your Shopify store page briefly turns white, or it may look like it's reloading more slowly than usual. That's completely normal. What's happening in the background is that your browser is bypassing its cached files and fetching the newest version of every asset on the page, including images, style sheets, and scripts. Once the page finishes loading, you should now see the latest version of your Shopify store, including any recent theme edits, code changes, or content updates. If something still doesn't look right, you can repeat the hard refresh one more time to be sure, or try it on a different browser to compare, and that's all there is to it. By using this simple keyboard shortcut, you can quickly clear the cached view of your Shopify store and make sure you're seeing your site exactly as it is right now.